What's up guys, welcome to Android Academy. In this video, I'll create a basic Android application just to add two numbers. So open Android Studio and click on File, New Project and enter your application name, addition, you can enter anything and click Next. Select the minimum SDK, I'll select ice cream sandwich 4.0.3, click Next. Select blank activity and click next and then click on finish. Now it will start building your application. It is started now. So click on this hello world string and click delete. Now we need to add two text fields for entering two numbers and one button, and we'll set on click property. So before that, click here on text and we need to change the layout to linear. I prefer using linear layout, so just write linear here, also linear. And now by default linear layout uses horizontal orientation, so I'm going to change that. I want vertical orientation, so write Android orientation and equals vertical and save it. Now again click on design tab. Here you can see that it has changed to linear layout vertical. Now insert two text fields, plain text and one more, and you can assign two IDs for that. Double click on it and you don't need to write any text because it will be empty, and ID is number 1. Since it is TF, so I'll write TF. Text field, it is easier to refer them, number 2. And we'll need one text view also, so get one large text here. You can change the layout width to fill parent and double click. ID is result, so it is labeled, so result, or you can also write text view, so TV result, whatever you prefer. And click on these dots because we can't have any value here, but it will change later. So for that, to make it empty, we'll create a string. So click on this new resource, new string value, and resource name and resource value. So resource name will be empty string, you can write anything you want, and resource value will be empty. So like this. Now we'll need one button. So select one button and double click on it, change the value, add, and button ID B add, and after that select the button and search for on click property here and change the value here on, you can write anything, on add click or on button click, on click only. And now our layout is done. Go to Java file, main activity.java, and whatever on click value you have written here, we'll use it here. So write public void on click, on add click. This will take a view. So write v IEW v click Alt Enter to resolve that error. As you can see, it will get added here, imported here, view, and we need a variable a. You can write any name for that view, right? If a, this variable name, a dot get id, it will fetch the id of that view is equal to r dot id dot b add. If a dot get id is matching with the button id, then we'll perform these statements whichever are in these braces. So we'll need to edit texts. Edit text 1, num a1 is equal to edit text find view by id, and here r dot id dot text field 1, number 1. Again, for resolving this error, just keep an eye here. I'll type Alt Enter, and it will get added here, android.widget.edit text. So just copy this statement and paste it and write A2 and df number 2. Now to add them, we need to change their type, data type. They are in edit text, they can't add them directly, so we need to change them to double. So we'll create two double variables, double num1 and num2, and num1 equals a1 dot get text. It will fetch the text from a1 edit text and we'll change it to toString, so it will get converted to a string. And now we need to convert it to double. For that, Java has a built-in method, double dot parse double. So just copy this, select it, click copy and paste. And here num2 and a2. So now we have two num variables, and we'll also create one more double which will store answer is equal to, and we'll just assign the initial value to 0 and answer, or we can just write answer equal to num1 plus num2. Now we need to create a text view. So text view tv is equal to text view find view by id r dot id dot tv label a result. And we need to set the text to this variable. When we fetch text, we use getText method, and we are setting the text, we use setText method. So write t dot set text, and here you need to enter a string. So but our answer is in double, so for that you can just write like this and plus answer. It will get converted to a string. And now our program is done. We'll test it out. So click on this run button. Now it is asking us to choose a running device. We haven't started any device. So here select the device you want. I'll select emulator 1. I'll select emulator 1. If you want to know how to create a custom AVD, I have created a tutorial on that. There will be a link on the screen and also in the description bar below. So click OK. Now the device has started. Now we can run our application on this device. Click on this run button again and choose this device now, which is online. Click OK. You can see that the target device is emulator 1. It is uploading the file app debug apk.apk, and you can see the background processes that are running here. It is installing the application on our emulator. Our application has started, so we can test it out now. So just enter some numbers. I write 78 and 45. Click on add. As you can see, it is giving the result here, 123. You can customize it and make it look a little bit cooler. So that's it for today. If you want to know how to create a calculator, I have a tutorial on that. You can check it out. There will be a link on the screen and also in the description bar below. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up to show your support. Thank you. Bye.